Let's talk about the Oreo, a cookie so iconic billions are made every year. This isn't a home kitchen, it's a marvel of industrial food science. Oreos start with simple ingredients: flour, sugar, oil, and a special dark cocoa powder. These arrive at the factory in massive quantities stored in towering silos. Automated systems precisely measure and transport each ingredient, ensuring every batch is identical. The ingredients are mixed in giant industrial mixers. Think cement mixers for cookies. Until a perfect dark dough forms. Timing is everything. Too much mixing, and the dough is tough. Too little, and you lose that signature snap. Once ready, the dough is extruded and flattened into a continuous sheet on a conveyor belt. It passes under a rotary molder, a heavy cylinder engraved with the Oreo's iconic design. Hundreds of perfect wafers are stamped out every second, each one identical to the last. This is precision engineering at its tastiest. From raw ingredients to stamped wafers, every step is automated for consistency. The journey to the perfect Oreo has only just begun. The stamped wafers head straight into a tunnel oven longer than a football field. Temperatures are carefully controlled to bake each wafer to crisp, chocolatey perfection. After baking, the cookies are too hot for filling, so they ride a long, winding conveyor to cool. This cooling process is crucial. Too fast and they crack, too slow and production stalls. Conveyor speed and length are calculated for optimal temperature. Once cooled, automated guides flip and sort the wafers, one line for bottoms, one for tops. Every Oreo will have a patterned side up and down, ensuring visual perfection. The environment is tightly controlled to eliminate variables. Only when the wafers are cool and sorted are they ready for the cream. It's a seamless, continuous flow, no room for error. Next stop, the heart of the Oreo. While wafers cool, the cream filling is whipped up in parallel. The recipe is secret, but it's mostly powdered sugar, vegetable oil and vanilla, mixed until fluffy and smooth. The cream is piped to the deposition station, where bottom wafers pass under high-speed nozzles. Each gets a perfect disc of crème. Always the same amount, always centered. Machines deposit hundreds of crème discs per minute, with no mess or waste. The top wafers merge with the bottoms, and a capper gently presses them together. With a light touch, the sandwich is sealed. 2 wafers and a dollop of crème become a single, iconic Oreo. Uniformity is everything. Every cookie, every time. Now, they're ready for inspection. Before packaging, Oreos face rigorous quality control. High-speed cameras and lasers scan for flaws, broken wafers, off-center crème, or imperfect sandwiches. Defective cookies are instantly removed by a puff of air. Some factories use weighing stations or even X-rays for extra assurance. Human inspectors also sample cookies for taste, texture, and the classic twist test. Only perfect Oreos move forward. The result: rows of flawless cookies, identical in every way. This blend of automation and human touch guarantees consistency worldwide. Every Oreo, from Tokyo to Toronto, meets the same high standard. Now, it's time for packaging. Packaging is a high-speed automated marvel. Stacking machines arrange cookies into neat rows, loaded into plastic trays. Wrapping machines seal them in the iconic blue film, stamp them with batch codes, and box them for shipment. Robotic arms stack boxes onto pallets, ready for global distribution. Oreo factories worldwide replicate this process, adapting flavors for local tastes like green tea in Asia or dulce de leche in Latin America. The Oreo's success is a blend of classic ingredients, cutting-edge technology, and cultural adaptation. Every cookie is a triumph of precision and consistency. So next time you twist open an Oreo, remember, it's more than a snack. It's a marvel of modern